Alright, we're showing how to fix your battery if it's not working for the Xpro 250cc dirt bike. Alright, on this dirt bike, we started it right out the box. Electric start doesn't work. Okay, even with this. Lights do not work. You can see the key is on. Lights do not work. So we're going to show you right now. If you have the same problem, you want to check your battery, see if it's good. Gotta turn it on first. And we're getting good voltage. So our battery is good. Next, what we want to do is we want to check the fuse. Make sure that little line, you can't see it right now, but there's a little line. Oh, there it is. There's a little line. And if it's not broken in any places in the line, it is fine. And it should be working. Make sure you put that fuse back or else it won't work. And then, finally, you want to check all these lines from here all the way down. You may have to take this off. Okay? All the way to here, to these connections. And as you can see on this certain connection, we found that this red wire was already disconnected. So, what we do here is we just connect that red wire in there. Do you want to do it? And as you can see, it starts. And the lights are on. Now, keep shining the light. Now keep shining the light. Turn on the light. And then show the light. Now I'm going to disconnect it. Lights off. Thing's still running because you don't need a battery to keep it running. But that should be your problem. And after you connect it, you want to connect it and make sure that you find some way to make it stick.